Sorry for the late upload, kakagising ko lang, but this is the third and final episode for our HSI Signature Premium Edition. Next natin si Motivational. Let's go! Please, congrats to our winner kahapon. This is him. Thank you for commenting my first Middle Eastern fragrance. Nasabi ko yun sa review ko nung nag-review ako ng Hawas. So, nope, mali yung 9pm. Yun yung first upload ko. Pero anyways, enough with the talk. Let's start the video. Start natin to kay Black. So, let's agad natin. Yeah, it is a... I can smell lavender. Medyo fruity siya. At the same time, fresh. Wait lang. Iniisip ko kung anong fruit dito eh. Di siya citrus. Wait, citrus siya. It's more like a lemon. Or even watermelon. I'm not sure, but yeah. Can't say anything. I haven't smelled the Lacoste Blanc to be honest. But I think magagamit itong Blanc when you are an athlete. If you want to smell fresh after, doing some sport things, I think this is good for athletes. It is a fresh, fruity scent with a hint of lavender. I always love lavender when it comes to fragrances. Agad natin si B Rouge 540, and inspired of Baccarat Rouge 540. Yes. Sweet, saffron-like scent. I love this kind of scents because it is a sweet scent pero hindi siya yung tipo ng sweet na gourmand type na sobrang tamis na. I have here my Baccarat Rouge 540 Decan. I think I'll just compare it kung pareho nga sila. Yeah. Pareho, tol. Hindi mo sa pareho. Let's say around 85 to 90% similar. I like how they get the scent of Baccarat Rouge 540 here. It's so amazing that they can copy those kind of, fragrances. I love it. But not the least, it is Blanc, a dupe of Lacoste Blanc. So, wala tayong comparison nun sa ngayon. Pero I already smelled it. Oh, lakas naman nun, par! Very citrusy, floral, and woody. And the scent itself, maamoy mo na agad eh. Hindi mo na kailangan siyang i-dry down. Kasi upon spraying, maamoy mo na agad siya. If you're that guy na, gusto na agad maamoy ko ano yung amoy ng fragrance, I think the Blanc is for you. I think this is a very versatile fragrance. Out of these three, this might be my favorite. So, it feels so versatile. I can use it daily. Ito yung mga pang daily talaga. So, if you're that guy that looking for a daily fragrance, school, work, panggala lang, mall, whatsoever, any occasions, bro, you can wear this day, night. Oh my God, I can't stop smelling it. It also projects as well, since naamoy ko yung room ko ngayon. And, knowing na nag-spray ako ng dalawa, pero itong si Blanc yun nangingibabaw sa mong room ko, bro, it's amazing. So, out of these three, my favorite would be the Blanc. It's versatile. I like to smell it more and more and more. Feeling ko maraming makakagamit nito. Hindi ka magsisisi na yun ang pinili mo. Next would be the Baccarat Rouge 540. I think hindi ko siya magagamit pang daily, pero at night, I can wear it. It's sweet. Hindi siya overwhelming masyado. It's the perfect sweetness for me. And I love the note of saffron palagi. And also, lastly would be the Black. Hindi siya good smelling. It's just that for me, it smells like Nivea Black. Yeah, so kaya ko na siya nasabing pang-athlete is dahil nga doon, it reminds me of Nivea. Maybe paiba-iba tayo ng scent, pero yun nga, pag naamoy ko siya, it reminds me of the Nivea or Nivea, whatever your pronunciation for that is. Reminds me of that one, and deodorant siya, so, it kind of reminds me of being an athlete na kailangan mag-deodorant palagi. Nakaabang ka, no? Nag-giveaway? Thank you guys sa mga sumuporta sa akin. I didn't expect na meron akong 2K followers. It's just an hobby. And huge shout out nga pala sa mga nag-sponsor sa akin. HSI, it's not actually sponsor, it's more like binibigyan na lang ng fragrance to review, and I think it's the time to, give it back to you, my followers, since hindi ko na-expect na magkakaroon ako ng 2,000 followers. So, huge shout out sa inyo guys. Thank you very much. So, for the giveaway, make sure na nakapollow ka. And ito na nga yung ating tanong. If you're an old follower, comment down below kung ano nga ba yung model and brand ng motor ko na ginagamit ko pang daily ko. Okay, lagi nasa video ko naman siya. So, mapapanood nyo siya. Kung old follower ka, alam mo yan. First lang, I'll give you one HSI signature collection. Yun lang boys. Bye.